Welcome to Micra. We got this brand new deal here. It's a Diwali time. So first of all, happy Diwali to all our customers and family friends. So we got this exciting deals. We don't have much deals kind of on cheap oils, knockoff things. So this is a OEM pure deal. It's till October 31st. So if you guys come to our shop for any of the brake job, any of the transmission fluid flush, brake job and tranny flush, we are offering a pair of wiper. We're going to throw it in free, no additional charges. That's worth about $45 to $50 plus taxes. We are going to give you absolutely free till October 31st. So grab your offer. Like this customer, it's a 2008 CT 230. It comes for an oil change, transmission oil change, and a cabin filter change. Also transmission filter change. So we are throwing this pair of wiper with this absolutely free. So if you guys do want any of the services and you want the free wiper deal, grab the deal, give us a call, book your appointment before October 31st. And that's what we're going to do with this car. And also this car came in for a CV axle on this side was all weared out from inside boot. So some of the CV axles, the boots are replaceable. And this one, no. This one, over time, you have to change that CV axle. So we order it and we got it. And the newer one is already installed here. And this car going to be ready probably in 1 more hour because we're just wrapping up the transmission pan on this. After that, we're going to add up the fluid and good to go. The customer is going to come probably end of the day to pick it up the car and back to the road. So if you guys do have same of the Mercedes and you want the services, give us a call, book your appointment, and grab your offer. Let's move to the next car. All right, guys, so you see this comparison. So this is the oil we take out from this beautiful 2017 Honda Ridgeline. That's a rear differential oil. And this is the new one. So that's how it looks, the brand new. So before you're going to drive on over limit mileage on your def fluid, just to let you know, this is going to cost you around $150. And the differential on this thing costs you somewhere around 4 to 5 grand if Honda have it. Most likely they go on a back ordered and you're not going to get it on time. It's like a month away. So in order to get rid of those big expense, just change your fluid on time. This customer driven almost 100 clicks on this previous one and came on right time because it's our regular client. And today we are going to do the rear differential plus the transfer case oil, which also need on the same time. So any of the car with the all-wheel drive or four-wheel drive, all the fluids, rear differential, front differential, transfer case, and transmission goes on a one shot. Try to make it in a one shot in order to maintain your service record accurately. So that's how we're going to do. Another thing, there's a couple of codes about the emissions on this car, which is pretty common in the Hondas. Most of the time when you put the gasoline in your car and it's 87 octane, it's the problem. Sometimes it comes with the gas station. It depends where you're fueling your car. So try to go with the 91 once a month or once every other month. So that makes your emission system clean. So that's the problem with this car. It's a soft code. We're going to clear it and going to put some gasoline cleaner inside to get rid of future, because this is a mostly highway driven customer and they want to fix this problem from the end. And other end, let's move to the next car. All right, guys, so we got this beautiful 2015 Nissan Micra. That's our regular client's car. They just bought this car, trade-in from a dealership. They bought it as is. So this car needs brakes, suspension on this car. The front struts are gone because the kilometers on this car is 340 Ks something. So in order to make it run back to the road safely, we have to put a couple of things on this. So if you guys do have any of the bought car as is or anything, we can do the safety. We'll provide you the best price on the parts, labor, and a safety price. Give us a call. You're going to get the best deal in town. Let's move to the next car. Right, so we got this beautiful Mercedes steering wheel. That's a 2012 E350. It's parked outside of the shop right now. So we take apart this. So this car came in with a steering adjustment problem. So when we dig down, there's a motor right here. It stopped working, and this, it's a spring mechanism. So this is also bad on this one. So we're going to tear apart. We have to take a lot of things apart to replace it, because the assembly on this one is cost somewhere around 4 grand if you talk about Mercedes. So even if we get it from a wreckers, it's not like something we have to check it out before we're going to install it, that this motor is working or not. So in order to fix it completely in a nice way, we tear apart this thing and we're going to change this motor and this mechanism. We place an order from Mercedes. Luckily, they do have it, both of the items in stock. So it's going to be here shortly. And we are going to wrap it up probably in 2-3 hours, as long as we getting the part on time. So this is a motor right here. So this motor and this mechanism both need to get changed. This is short circuit from internally. We try to run it manually with a battery, but it doesn't work. So these two things, then the Mercedes is ready to go back on the road. Let's move to the next car. All right, guys, so before we're gonna put the car on the hoist inside, whenever we got the safety vehicle, we always drive it for a couple of kilometers, because that's a mandatory government requirement before we're gonna put the car on the hoist for safety purposes. So we are going to give a test drive on this car to see any abnormal driven conditions on this car, all the parts and everything. So that is the main factor with the newer digital safety, is they want us to drive it at least 40 kilometers per hour speed, at least for 5 to 10 kilometers. Like right now, I'm driving it and I can feel there is a cranking sound on the back. It feels like it's a bearing noise on this car. So in order to check it properly, we need to drive this car at least 40 to 80 kilometers in order to check it, what exactly happened to the car. So that's what we're going to do it. And let's see. And one more thing, the engine light on this car is popped up. So what that means is we need to fix it. See this noise right now? It's from one of the bearing in the back, and the links are also making a rattle noise when it hits the potholes. So in order to do the safety before than that, we have to fix this engine light issue, whatever it is. Most likely on this mileages, the issue comes between it's O2 sensors or Cadillac sensors, bank 1 or bank 2, one of that. So we need to check what it is, and that's what we're going to do today. It's a Saturday, so it was a drop off from a customer, because we mostly don't do any safety works on Saturday. It's just for the oil change, brake changes, transmission fluid flush. We are going to have a crazy car in today. The customer is on the way. It's a Infiniti I think it's a QX50, but that's one of the craziest car. The guys are from Kerala, India. They do crazy work on the cars, honestly. If you want to see any modern car from Asian people, Kerala people, they are the best in that. They make a lot of mods in the cars, like crazy mods. You see a lot of carbon fibers on their cars, load the cars, and it looks so good on the road presence. So that's what the guys like. I have a couple of customers. They are really passionate for their cars. They put a lot of money in it to make it look like road presence car. So that's what we're going to witness today. We'll show you in shortly video how the car looks. We worked before on that car too, but today we're going to work on the transmission fluid on that car. Also, we're going to do a regular oil change and a couple more services. So let's see how it goes. We are almost back to the shop, and we're going to lift this car on the hoist to see what's happening with underneath things. But for now, what I see is the brakes, bearing, and God knows what else it is. As you can see, the M3 is out right now here. They're backing up next to CLS. So those who don't know, I just bought this black CLS. So we're going to make it a night black soon from the front, as I already bought the wheels, the black jet black wheels for this car. All right, so the car is right here. Let's move to the next car.
Hey, Dolomite, turn to a million, then we all rich. That's just how he's the last one out to get the stove. Always pop one out to fucking head hoes.
So guys, we are almost done with this car. Make sure you subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and videos. Thank you.